This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michael Rolinski. Don't miss this one. Beautiful 3-bedroom/2 full bathroom home in the very desired Shell Cove subdivision in Ruskin, Florida. Home is only 1.5 years old and newly painted entire interior. Open floor plan concept with kitchen/dining room/living room combo. Kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Master bedroom has large master bath with walk-in closet. Enjoy your morning coffee or evening beverage with the beautiful views of the lake on your covered back porch with access off your living room, or sit on the added paver patio extension off the covered back patio and soak up the sun. Less than 2 miles from Little Harbor, where you can enjoy a swim in the bay or walk on the beach, or enjoy the beautiful views from the Sunset Grill while you grab some lunch or dinner. Close to I-75 for easy commute to Tampa and the local beaches, and to restaurants and the mall for shopping. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information,